Hi everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. Have you ever wondered how to measure distance without touching any physical thing? That's exactly what an ultrasonic sensor does. We have here an ultrasonic sensor. So in this video, we'll explore how an ultrasonic sensor works, and we'll build a project using an Arduino to measure distance in real time. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use this sensor in your project. So let's get started. To demonstrate, we'll need to connect the ultrasonic sensor to an Arduino Uno R3. Here's what you'll need. You'll need the sensor, the ultrasonic sensor module. You'll need the Arduino Uno board. You'll need the jumper wires. From the sensor, you'll need to connect VCC from the sensor, and to the board you need to connect V5 pin, and from the sensor GND to GND on the board, from the sensor trig to pin number 9 on the board, and echo to pin number 10 on the board. So once everything is connected, your hardware setup is ready. Now let's write the code to read distance data from an ultrasonic sensor. You will need to open your Arduino IDE and type the following code. You'll see the code on your screen. I've already pre-typed it on my Arduino IDE code. What this code does is that it triggers the sensors to calculate the distance using the time it takes for the sound waves to return, and it prints out the result on the serial monitor. Now that everything is set up, let's upload our code into our Arduino board and open the serial monitor just to see how everything works. So as you can see on your screen, we'll upload the code onto our Arduino board, and our serial monitor is already open. As you can see, there's the numbers that are coming in. That's measuring distance between an object. So on today's lesson, we'll just use this as an object that will measure the distance between. So maybe if you can start from, as you can see, the closer we get to the object, the smaller the numbers get on that serial monitor. So the further away we move from the object, the bigger the number increases. So the distance gets more and more and more as we move further away from the object. So if you can do it again, the closer we get to the object, the lesser and lesser the distance is between the object and the sensor. But the further away we move from the object, the bigger the distance gets if you're monitoring on the serial monitor. This is all achieved from the code that is written on the sketch of the Arduino IDE. You can go through the code and play around and just see what each value represents, and that is how you use your ultrasonic sensor. It's a simple yet powerful tool for countless projects, from robotics to home automations. And that is it for today. Thank you very much.